Morning for Mel. Sweet and sour pork. And can we get 2 chicken fried rice? And beef hoffer, please. Hi everyone, happy Saturday. It is 5:21 p.m. We are starting this vlog super late. Tonight, we are going out. I'm already dressed and I'm just waiting for my parents and my sister kasi we are gonna watch Obsession sa Silky Otter. Our movie is booked at 6:30 p.m. so we still have time to eat dinner here. Kasi hindi talaga ako nakakaubos ng popcorn sa cinema. Kahit yung small na bucket lang ng popcorn yun, hindi ko pa rin siya kayang ubusin. So, ang plan talaga is dito mag-dinner sa bahay. So, I am just wearing this Taylor Sport na long sleeve shirt. And super nanghihinayang ako kasi I got this one last winter and hindi ko kinuha yung black version niya. Tapos ngayon, discontinued na yung gantong long shirt nila. Dapat pala kinuha ko na yung black habang in stock pa siya sa mga stores. Kasi nag-sale siya before and then now, tinatry ko siyang balikan and even on their website, it's not available anymore. And I'm just wearing sweatpants. So, comfy clothes kasi we're just gonna watch a movie and then after that, uuwi na rin naman. Popcorn? So, ilan ordering ko? 3 mo na lang.
Extra ba na yun? Eh, di bumili ka ng ano? Ante yung may float. Antayin ko pa yung milkshake ko eh.
Nikki, what are you doing? Nikki. Bakit dalawa lang?
So, we are upgrading our coffee corner. And naghahanap si mami ng mga coffee, sugar na lalagyan. And gusto niya white. And ito yung nakita namin. Pero not sure if we are gonna buy it. Ganito yung gusto ni maming gawin. Ganyan siya. Then, sugar, coffee, and then yung creamer. Okay lang naman. Hi everyone! Happy Sunday! Punta ulit kami ng laundromat kasi need ulit magpa-dryer. Sunny siya pero super lamig ng hangin and we have a lot of clothes kaya instead na i-hang and i-air dry, balak na lang namin pumunta ng laundromat ulit para magpa-dryer. I want to get a statement ring, and this is very pretty.
So cute. Pwede siyang i-cinch, no?
Large ako?
Like, okay lang.
Or large or medium?
Pwede. lang large para meron ka pang space.
Hi everyone, it is 9:50 p.m. and I just finished editing the vlog. Medyo awkward lang siya kasi di na ako nakapag-update after naming bumili ng flowers. But pag uwi lang naman namin, pinut away na namin yung mga pinadryer namin. We had dinner and nag-karaoke lang kami here sa bahay. So, chill na lang yun and I didn't get to vlog that kasi nga pahinga na. Anyway, I just want to say good night to you guys and I'll see you on my next vlog.